Why do dogs have tails?
Hello, Professor. How are you?
I'm fine. Enjoying my walk. Well, there. Look at that dog. It seems to be very excited.
How do you know?
Didn't you see his tail?
No, I didn't notice. Professor, why do dogs have tails?
Mainly for balance. The tail helps the dog keep its balance when it runs. The tail also helps dogs to communicate. Like if the dog is happy and excited, you see it wagging its tail. And when it is sad, the tail is down.
Oh, look. There's another dog wagging its tail. Wonder why it's excited.
That's simple. He's just got a bone to chew on. Why do frogs croak? What happened, Rat?
Professor, did you hear that?
What? Oh, well, we are near a pond, so that noise must be of frogs croaking.
Frogs croaking? Professor, why do frogs croak?
Well, you know only male frogs croak, and they do it to attract female frogs. Croaking also tells other male frogs to stay away.
Well, I find that noise to be spooky. Professor, can we please go somewhere else?
I don't believe it. Rat, are you scared of frogs or only of their croaking? Why do chameleons change color?
Dog, did you see that? The chameleon just changed its color.
Where? I can't see it. Oh, I missed it. Professor, why do chameleons change their color?
Oh, I know. Chameleons change color so that they can hide themselves. You know, the chameleon I just saw changed its color to brown, the color of the tree, and now you can't see it.
Well, that's just one reason. By changing their color, chameleons can communicate with each other. They also change color to show their mood.
Dog, imagine if you could change your color as per your mood. I think you would be pink when you are happy and purple when you are angry.
Pink and purple? What is wrong with you?
Rat, what happened? Why are you looking so scared?
The dog! I am scared of dogs.
But what is there to be scared of? It is not going to harm you.
He was sniffing me.
What? All dogs do that. There is nothing to be afraid of.
But why do dogs sniff?
Dogs learn a lot by sniffing. They can identify people, animals, and even food. That is the reason dogs are used by the police too.
Really?
A dog's sense of smell is very strong, and it can use it to find things that are lost. With sniffing, it can pick up a scent which it can then follow.
I hope that the dog does not follow me anywhere.
Here's your mother. Hope you don't run into any more dogs on your way home. That's good, dog. Kick with your paws. Tiger, what is the problem?
Professor, there's a